Roasted corn beverage is a healthy, high in fiber beverage that can be consumed regularly without adverse side effects. Fiber is helpful in the body in many ways. Relieves constipations and hemorrhoids. Keeps weight under control. Prevents certain disease. Enough fiber in the diet can lower the risk of developing certain conditions, such as heart disease, diverticular disease, and gallstones and kidney stones. Roasted corn beverage is a 4-in-1 beverage mixed with L-carnitine tartrate. It is a satisfying drink without the caffeine. It also helps build lean muscle and provides fiber in the diet. Roasted corn beverage.